Hey, I'm Hannah Miley. A month ago, I picked up a pencil, zero art experience, and challenged myself to draw every single day for 30 days. It wasn't always pretty. There were wins, fails, and a lot of awkward sketches, but I learned a ton. This is my beginner art journey, and I'm excited to share it with you. On the first day of the challenge, I decided to create a character that I could continuously redraw to see the improvement in my artwork. Unfortunately, I did not stick to this and only drew this character 4 times. During this week, I decided to post my 30-day art journey on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I saw a bit of success on YouTube and TikTok, not so much Instagram. During this week, I also tried some animation with this new TikTok trend that was going on. It didn't do very well, but I enjoyed drawing this, and I might do some animation in the future. On the 3rd of April, I uploaded a video of me drawing my Pikachu OC onto YouTube, which is where I garnered a bit of success with 1.8k views. This gave me the motivation to continue working on my art and uploading. I tried to do some head anatomy studies so I could get the facial structure down for my future drawings. I followed YouTube tutorials from Sanders Art and one from Brad Coble. For my final drawing in week 1, I decided to challenge myself by creating a brand new character, this time applying the anatomy teachings I learned from Brad Coble and Sanders Art. Honestly, I was so surprised by the result. It actually looked like a real human being. Somewhat, at least. After just 1 week of focused practice, I could already see a huge improvement in my art. Now it's finally time to go on to week 2. For the first day of week 2, I didn't draw anything good. In fact, I decided to draw Peppa Pig from memory. I wasn't at home, and she was the only thing I thought of for some reason, so here's that drawing, I guess. Continuing into week 2, I decided to create a cat character based off my friend's TikTok voiceover video seen here.
I can't contain my silliness.
This character was portrayed to be mentally insane, so that's how I drew her. Here's a TikTok I made using her and the chibi version of herself. It was actually pretty fun to make.
I can't contain my silliness.
In case you're interested, here's me drawing the chibi version of this character. The end of this week was all about head anatomies, lots of sketches, and getting familiar with the basic facial structure. With week 2 officially behind me, I'm geared up and ready to dive into what week 3 has to offer. For week 3, I made the conscious decision to draw some of the characters from my favorite game, Genshin Impact. I know a lot of people have this idea about Genshin Impact players, but I promise you, I'm not one of those. I chose 3 of the 6 currently available Archons to be my muses for this week. Archons are considered gods in Genshin Impact. The 3 gods that I chose were Venti, the god of animals, Zhongli, the god of Geo, and the Raiden Shogun, the god of Electro. I started off with the animal Archon Venti. He was really fun to draw. Next up was Zhongli. He was also really fun to draw, though I had trouble with his eyes. And last, but certainly not least, Raiden Shogun. She was extremely hard to draw in my opinion, but it turned out somewhat okay. Finish These drawings took me more than 3 hours each, with writing taking the longest at 3 hours and 53 minutes. Draw her. In all, I'd say that week 3 was quite successful. Now, on to week 4, the final week of the month. If I'm being honest, for week 4, I only did 2 fully fledged drawings. Sure, I had a few sketches here and there, but week 4 was mainly focused on 2 particular art pieces. The first art piece, which expanded across 4 separate days to complete, was a drawing of one of the characters from part 5 of Joseph's adventure, Trish Una. This drawing took me exactly 8 hours and 18 minutes to complete. Since I spent so long on this art piece and would love for you to watch the entire speedrun over, I'll give you a short attention span mine, some surveys of the gameplay to look at while it plays. I hope you truly enjoyed that. Now on to the final drawing of my 30-day art journey. I chose Orange Blossom from Strawberry Shortcake. I picked her for the sole reason that she's cute and thought some versions of her resemble me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to be more active on YouTube again, and I'd love if you'd support me. Thank you for watching this video, and maybe watch a short or two of mine to support me further.